Umalo uhlalele evalweni ngomnyaka opheleleko ngenyanga kaSihlabantangana umntazana wakhe uBontle Mashiyane wabulawa kwabotshwa abantu abahlanu hlangana nabo ngumangebeletani nophila Tsela ababili aba bakhutshwe ngebheyili ngemva kokuba wabona kubuyekezwe isiqundo esathathwa iKhotho kaMagistrata weKabokweni yokubadima ibheyili.
Ngabhlungu ukuthi bamreleasele lo babe nalomntwana wakhe because njengoba bakhiphelwe lamabhosi akhona lenyanga nalo ntwana khona chaza kona ukuthi nalaba labanye labakhona babotshonabo kulula ukuthi bangasaphuma because lenhloko yakhona iphumile so vele angaphephi ngitiva ngi-out nje ngilahliwe ngathi vele nje angiphili nabantu because mina bengitshela ukuthi sengiphephile ngaba sejele mase baba-release ngikwathi because mina ngathi ukuthi besobuya lamhla ka-6 April.
Umabelalo uthi batsho uthuselwe enkundleni zokuthindana kanti selavule icala lokuthuselwa.
Bathi bona bafuna imali just bafuna amaphatsi nje kuphela and before abantwana bababulala baqala babarepe wena utanga 3 ema-account game mangithi ngimkhipha kule ungena kule
kanti lokho kubange ungahlaliseki kuhle emphakathini nakurhulumente wesifunda.
Siyasaba kakhulu kathi thina sisebenza ngebantwana la sekufuna sentesho ukuthi umntali na kanjani abe amlanzile nakhona uma ngabe bathumela abantu kufuna sentesho ukuthi lo muntu abamthumile uconnected nalabatali kahle na ngoba sesosaba ngendeka kuthunyelwa yena lo mangebeletani.
Magistrate, they should be part of the solutions that the country, the province were faced with and assist us so that they don't just give bail unnecessary to people whom I think that a problem as well as his safety is not guaranteed. Because the community want him alive. At the same time, there's a fear that he might kill other people, including the witness.
Nanyana njalo iphiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi iNPA lithi ukunikelwa kwabasolwa abayibheyili akutsho bona banaqala njengoba nayicaleli linamandla.
On condition that they do not threaten their co-accused, on condition that they attend the matter until, on condition that they attend the court until the matter is finalized, and also on condition that they do not interfere with the state witnesses in the matter.
Umangebeletani indodana yakwakhe nalaba abasolwa nabo balindeleke bona babuyele eKhotho ngenyanga kaSihlabantangana ukuyokwahlulelwa.